Recharging your Orange Algeria credit in less than a minute is now incredibly easy, with no need for apps or visiting the official website. Here are the streamlined and direct steps. Recharge credit via keypad. This is the fastest and most common way to recharge your Orange Algeria credit. Scratch the card. Gently scratch off the gray layer on the back of the recharge card to reveal the 14-digit PIN. Dial the recharge code. On your phone, open the dial pad and enter the following code. 333 * your 14-digit PIN hashtag. For example, if your recharge card's PIN is 123456789012334, the code you would dial is 33312345678901234 hashtag. Press the call button. After entering the full code, press the call button. Confirmation: you will receive an SMS confirming the successful recharge and that the credit has been added to your account instantly. If you have any questions about any service on any network, leave us your inquiry in the comments. We're happy to help.